Hey, so you've been wondering how do people make these baby podcast videos, huh? They look so funny and cute, right? Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's easy peasy and super fun. Okay, let's get started.
So let's make a video like this totally free. First, we need the image for the video. Head over to ChatGPT and type, "Create image of a baby sitting on a podcast setup." You can even add the aspect ratio, like make it 9:16 for TikTok. After that, you'll get an image like this. Now, if you want to make something like the viral news baby TikToks, you can upload a photo of someone and say, "Create a baby version of the person in the uploaded photo sitting in a podcast setup." Keep the same facial expression, pose, and clothing style. Make the baby look like a 1-year-old version of the adult. Boom, now you've got a custom baby image. Next, go to hedra.com, upload the image, and add the audio you want. Then just wait a bit. And here's your video. That's it. You just made a viral baby podcast video in minutes. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, drop a comment. And if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe.